And to me, it seems pretty clear, actually, that there's a real pattern that emerges with these cases. I represent some of the Hillsborough families, and, you know, I also represent one of the original 555 sub-postmasters who took the High Court case in 2019 and have worked with him and his wife for some time. And there is a clear trend of ordinary people who sound the alarm being ignored and dismissed and being crushed by bigger systems that they can't possibly compete with. So I welcome what the government has said. I think the Minister, Kevin Hollinrake, made a very powerful statement this week about quashing the convictions, about no more delays and about providing compensation. And I'm sure that's right. But for my constituent who lost his post office, almost lost his reputation, their son, who they were guarantors on his mortgage, lost his house, no amount of compensation can undo the wrong that has been done. And what they and many others want to see is that we get to a position where never again can so many ordinary citizens in this country be ignored and dismissed and overlooked by bigger systems. There are some things that clearly can be done and should. One of them that has been suggested for a long time and campaigned for is what's known as the Hillsborough Law, which is a duty of candour on public officials to tell the truth so that there are clear repercussions if you don't. That at least would strengthen a system where a minister is being told something that is clearly untrue. The other thing that the Hillsborough Law would do is to ensure that those who are fighting miscarriages of justice have access to legal aid. One of the big problems that people face in challenging the system is that it's like David and Goliath, and in any democracy worth its salt, that is a situation that cannot be allowed to stand.